Today we're going to be looking at the steps for adding mixed numbers with unlike denominators, when the denominators are different. An example here would be 1 and 1/2 plus 1 and 1/4. The denominators are different. Once again, just as if the denominators were the same, we're going to stack them. Once again, it lines up everything and it makes it easier to work with, and you'll see in step 3 why it's so important. Our second step is to find the least common denominator. We do that because we want to create equivalent fractions to 1/2 and 1/4, just like we wanted to do as if the fractions were alone. So I find the least common denominator by using the cake method. The least common denominator, to find the least common multiple, I multiply everything together. 2 times 1 times 2, it gives me an answer of 4. So that's my least common denominator. So now I'm going to create equivalent fractions with the denominator of 4. So I asked myself, how did I get from 2 to 4? I multiplied by 2. Since I did that to the denominator, I must also do that to the numerator, and that gives me my numerator of 2. 1/4 already has a denominator of 4, so I just bring that straight over. Now I have two fractions that have the same denominator, and when we need to do that, we can just refer to adding mixed numbers with like denominators. We add the fractions first. 2/4 plus 1/4 gives me 3/4. I add my whole numbers. I get 2 and 3/4. That can't be simplified, so my answer is in its simplest form.